Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make garlic curry, or in Tamil it's called as poondu kolumbu. In Malayalam it's called as veluthulli curry. It's a very tasty curry. You can make and prepare it and keep it inside the fridge for a month. It won't get spoiled. Plus you don't need any curry with it. Rice with this curry, it's more than enough. It's a very tasty recipe and we are going to try it today. So let's go for the ingredients. I have added the ingredients in the description box. You can check it out there too. Now let's go ahead and get started. To a hot pan, we are going to add sesame oil or nallanna. We are going to add the mustard seeds. And then fenugreek seeds. Add the sliced shallot. Curry leaves and give it a mix. Clean garlic. Saute it well. After 2 minutes of sauteing, we're going to add the chili powder. The turmeric powder. And the coriander powder. Give it a mix. When you're putting the spices, make sure keep the flame on a medium flame. Now we are going to add the tomatoes. Mix it. After 2 minutes, we are going to add tamarind water. Add water. And then we are going to adjust the salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. After it comes to a boil, we're going to put it on a medium flame and cover and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, taking the lid off, give it a stir. See how thick the consistency is. And we're going to bring it to boil again. And to this I'm going to add a little bit of jaggery. Jaggery balances the sourness and the spices and everything together. It brings out a good flavor. Add a pinch of asafoetida. Mix it well. Once it comes to a boil, you can now turn off the stove. And your delicious garlic curry, poondu kolumbu or veluthulli curry is ready now. Now let's serve it. The garlic is soft and the gravy is thick. It's already mouth-watering. Now let's try the garlic curry. Today I'm going to try it in a different way. The garlic is soft. All the spices and the sweetness of the jaggery, it brings out the beautiful curry. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also enjoy our recipe. Thank you.